Welcome to Sathishspeaks channel. At least I would have got a minimum of 30 SMS in the last 2 days from mutual fund as well as direct equity insiders, considering the market was falling for 4 consecutive days. Many investors are worried about their investment and they are asking for a recommendation that what should I do with my money? What should I do? Will the market recover back or not? So in this video, I am going to explain to you why the markets are falling for the 4 consecutive days and what should a mutual fund and a equity investor should do at this juncture. So I am Sathish, financial consultant and author of this book called Untold Wealth Secrets. If you need any advisory in mutual fund, equity and PMS, my WhatsApp number is there in the description. Connect with me. And if you are watching this video, please be generous. Please click the like button because the chances of this video reaching multiple people high when you click the like button. Okay, first market. It was around 61,219 and today it is currently at 59,000, almost 1,900 points down, which is 3%. The last 4 consecutive days it is falling, the market is falling. So what are the 5 reasons that the markets are falling? The number one reason is that surging US yields, bond yields. If you take US as a market, it is a flat inflation country. That inflation always remains flat, but in this year it is rising, and it is a very different phenomena in US because in the last 40 years, 4 decades, it has been flat and now the inflation is high. So the federal government, like we have RBI here, that central bank in US is called federal, they might increase the interest rates. Whenever the inflation is high, it is a very common phenomena, the central bank will rise. So what is the connectivity between US increasing the interest rates and the Indian stock market is actually going down? The relativity is the most of the investors in Indian stock markets are foreign institutional investors. If they get better returns in their own country, why would they invest here in India with all the volatility? So people are actually selling off their funds and taking away their money to invest in a safe havens like bonds in US because it is in anticipation of giving a higher returns. You take your own investments. Where will you invest? In a safe place within your home country or in a volatile place away from your home. So that is what FIIs are doing now. They have sold more than 1.5 lakh of stocks in last 3 months, October, November, December 2021, and their selling spree is continuing. So we are anticipating that the US will hike up the interest rate, but we were anticipating that to happen by the quarter of end of the quarter in 2022, December, October, November sometimes, but it is gonna happen in the month of March 12. That is the very strong trigger, and that is creating a lot of turbulence in the market. That's number one. And number two reason, US inflationary hike, and number two is FII selling crazily. Number three, and of course, the Omicron is still a threat. The daily death count and the daily cases counts are actually increasing. So if you look at any statistics within TN or Chennai, it is definitely increasing. But the good news is it is definitely that the count is a little lesser in Delhi and other parts of India. It's coming to a kind of control, but in southern states it's actually increasing. So still it is a threat. We don't know how the Omicron threat is gonna get unfold. So that is the third reason. The fourth reason is that earnings. Many companies have released their corporate earnings. December 2021, they have released that last quarter, third Q3. And it is actually missing the street expectation. Take Havels, take Rallies, and many more companies are missing the market expectation. They are actually lower by 13 to 15% from the street expectations. So that is another reason that the market sentiment is also down, because the market, if the market is going up, it is fundamentally going up because of earnings, the corporate earnings, corporate profits in anticipation with. If they are not actually bringing the profits, it will have an impact in the market. That is the fourth reason. And fifth, we are going to have the most important day on 24th of January, which is a budget day. In anticipation of that, there are certain turbulences. So what you can do as an investor, if you are a mutual fund investor or even an equity investor, my first recommendation is stick to your asset allocation. You don't have to do anything different. You don't have to do anything right now. This is extremely normal. Equity is equal to uncertainty is equal to turbulent. It won't go on a straight line like this, like a triangle, hypotenuse triangle. It won't go straight line. It will always have ups and downs, and this is extremely normal. That you need to understand, number one. In the last 20 years, I've been observing markets. When I started my career, Sensex was at 3,500 and today it is at 60,000. I have seen Sensex grown by 19 to 20 times, 19 times. And I am certain that Sensex will grow from current 60,000 to 2 lakh also. So 3 times it will definitely for sure grow. All you got to have patience, have temperament, and most importantly, if you have little more surplus, use this for pumping more money. Put some more surplus to your good money. Because when equity is going to go up, this 3% fall, you can definitely take advantage of that. That's my second recommendation. But this recommendation will not suit to traders. The traders who actively participate in futures, options, derivative, please don't do negative averages. Doing negative averages is such a bad thing for your business because investing is different, trading is different. And most importantly, if you are a very high aggressive investor, value investing in value mutual funds, investing in IT based team, investing in banking and financial services might be a good time for next 3 to 5 years. So as an investor, please don't panic, add more money, stay patiently with the temperament and patience. So that's all about market outlook and about this particular crash, what you can do for your investment. If you need any recommendation on mutual fund, MF and PMS, WhatsApp number there, connect with me. And if you like this content, please be generous, click the like button because the chances of this video reaching multiple people very high. And if you want to join my free WhatsApp group, click check the description, click the link, join me, and stay tuned to this channel. I will be bringing many more investment strategies and personal finance advisory. I'll see you with another video.